Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET Webform and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. And today, in this video, I would like to show you how to work on the homepage by displaying the data for category. And at this time, we are hard coding the hyperlink here. Category 1, 2, 3, and 5. 4, 5. Okay. So now it did a display hard coding here. So we will display the dynamic data from the database, and here I will use the repeater to load all of the data for category on this page. Okay, so let's get started. I will open the Visual Studio and go to the master page. And because for now we have the category located on the master page, so now I open the site.master page here. Scroll down, we have the category section. Okay, this one is category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cool. So now I will comment out this one, save it and refresh this one. The hyperlink has gone. Okay, so now back to this one. I will use the under the data in toolbox we have the repeater here. Drag and drop into the HTML page. Cool. So now we go ahead to write the code for this, and I will name it for this one is repeater and the category menus. Okay. Item template. Here we have Lee. Copy this. Okay. And now I will have a hyperlink. Hyperlink 1. So now we will display all the name of category into the hyperlink here. So when we run it on the website, the ASP hyperlink here will automatically generated into the A tag here. It should be look like the same thing in the HTML in the comment out code here. Okay. So now I back to the backend. Write the code here. I will open the business logic of category. Okay. So here we have a method to return the category list. So now I go ahead to reuse this one. Okay, cool. Copy this one. We have to create an instance of category logic in the Saigon.master CS file. Okay. Add reference. I will create a method to load to get the category list from the database, and after that we will binding it into the repeater. Okay, private private load data into register. In here I will call it dot category list. Okay, try get. So now I will have the repeater t dot data order by. Okay, so back to the HTML. We now update the code here. Hyperlink. Okay. So for the hyperlink, it should be the data binder info container data item. Okay, let's see the category. It have a string in name, so we should display the name here. Name. We have something in tooltip. Tooltip equal name. We have some property. It should be navigate URL. So now the navigate URL, it will be redirect you into the detail of the category. But however, in this video today, I don't want to work on the view detail, so I will work on it later. Okay. Save it. Build the project. Code. Refresh the page. Yeah. So now you can see here we have a list of the category displaying on the left side here. Okay, so I will open the category. We have 7. Yeah, it works fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now at this time we are sorting order by the category by the setting. You are able to change it to the design setting by editing the code here. We have another method to order by and order by deciding. Build the website solution. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Back to order by. Refat. Okay. So I think that's all for today. And after if you need this video, you know how to displaying the category information from the database on the website in the menus, left menus. You also know how to use the repeater to loop the data from the database. Okay, so I hope that helped and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.